ഹലോ കുട്ടികളെ, ജനറൽ നോളഡ്ജ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്നിവിടെ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇന്ത്യയെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള കുറേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നിങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് പങ്കുവെക്കുന്നു. ഹു വാസ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്രസിഡൻറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ? ഡോക്ടർ രാജേന്ദ്ര പ്രസാദ് എന്നതാണ് ആൻസർ. ഇൻ വിച്ച് ഇയർ ഡിഡ് ഇന്ത്യ ഗെയിൻ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ്? 1947. Who is known as the father of the nation of India? Mahatma Gandhi. Which ancient civilization was located in the Indus Valley? Harappan civilization. Who led the Salt March in 1930? Mahatma Gandhi. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. What is the main reason for the revolt of 1857? Discontent against British rule. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1919? Non-cooperation movement. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. How many states are there in India? 28. What is the minimum age to become the Prime Minister of India? 35 years. Which political party is known as BJP? Bharatiya Janata Party. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Who is the current President of India? Draupadi Murmu. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha? 245. Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality? Article 14. What is the highest court in India? Supreme Court. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? The President. What is the term for the lower house of Parliament? Lok Sabha. Which state hosted the G20 summit in 2023? New Delhi. What is the name of India's first satellite? Aryabhatta. Which Indian sportsperson is known as the Flying Sikh? Mikha Singh. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Yogi Adityanath. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? ISRO. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bengaluru. What is the currency of India? Indian rupee. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali. Who is the current Minister of Defense in India? Rajnath Singh. What is the name of the national animal of India? Bengal tiger. Which is the largest state in India by area? Rajasthan. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? Godavari. Which mountain range separates India from Nepal? The Himalayas. What is the smallest state in India? Goa. Which desert is located in India? Thar Desert. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. Which ocean is to the south of India? Indian Ocean. What is the longest river in India? Ganges. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Jaipur. Which sport is known as the king of sports in India? Cricket. Who is the captain of the Indian cricket team as of 2024? Rohit Sharma. Which Indian athlete won a gold medal in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Neeraj Chopra. What is the national sport of India? Field hockey. Which Indian city hosted the Commonwealth Games in 2010? New Delhi. Who is known as the god of cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. Which sport is associated with the term offside? Football. What is the highest award for sports in India? Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. Which Indian sports person is known for badminton? PV Sindhu. What is the name of the cricket tournament held between India and Pakistan? Indo-Pak series. What is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Which day is celebrated as Republic Day in India? January 26. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Which festival marks the end of the harvest season in Punjab? Baisakhi. Who is the author of the book Wings of Fire? APJ Abdul Kalam. Which is the largest river island in India? Majuli. What is the main language spoken in India? Hindi. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Kolkata. What is the name of the Indian Parliament? Parliament of India. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which ancient Indian text is known for its teachings on governance? Arthashastra. What is the traditional dance form of Kerala? Kathakali. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize? Mother Teresa. What is the main religion practiced in India? Hinduism. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Shah Jahan. Which Indian festival is celebrated to mark the arrival of spring? Holi. What is the traditional dress of women in India? Sari. Who is the famous Indian poet known for his work in English? Rabindranath Tagore. Which Indian state is known for its tea gardens? Assam. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the process by which plants make their food? Photosynthesis. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the boiling point of water in degrees Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Leaves. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in the human body? Heart. What is the main source of energy for the earth? Sun. What is the name of the Indian space mission to the moon? Chandrayaan. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Kanchenjunga. What is the main ingredient in traditional Indian curry? Spices. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Colors? Holi. What is the traditional form of Indian music? Classical music. Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters? Kerala. What is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What is the primary diet of most Indians? Vegetarian food. Which city is known as the gateway to India? Mumbai. What is the primary festival of lights celebrated in India? Diwali. Who is the famous Indian scientist known for his work in physics? C.V. Raman. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. Which Indian leader is known for his role in the Quit India movement? Mahatma Gandhi. What is the main theme of the Indian independence movement? Freedom from British rule. Which Indian festival is celebrated to honor the goddess Durga? Durga Puja. What is the traditional art form of Rajasthan? Miniature painting. Which Indian state is known for its rich biodiversity? Arunachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Gujarat? Gandhinagar. Who is the famous Indian author of The God of Small Things? Arundhati Roy. Thank you. Thank you very much. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക.